All right. So now we'll be starting it with the tokens part. Okay. In the BlueJ. So there are multiple tokens in the text line is there. So the very first line we'll be seeing it, that is the first token we'll be seeing it related to the next short. Okay, so before starting it with the next short, let me give you some brief explanation related to this. Then we'll be moving it to the programming part. So see, basically, dear, over here what it is happening it that this tokens I'm implementing only and only to the scanner package. Okay, as I have told you in the yesterday's session that we are implementing the package which is known as a java.util.star hota hai. So star means what? I can use the multiple packages over there. So over here I'm specifying that package specifically. So that is here I have making use of a scanner package over here. Okay, a bit that too with the scanner I want to go it more in the depth with the so and so method. So there are the multiple tokens are there. So from here I'm moving to the next short method. So for using this token I'll be using this sort of a declaration in my BlueJ program, but it's not necessary. You can also use it java.util.star or else java.util.scanner. It's no need to specify the whole thing together, because ये next short ये कहाँ पर use करेंगे? When I want to make use of only and only of this token, at that time only I'll be using this next short, or else it won't be required. No? If I'm using the scanner, that means what? I can make use of a next short, I can make use of a next int and next char 80 and also on. Okay, so I can use the multiple tokens over here. Okay, so what do you mean by the next short? So before starting it with the next short, what do you mean by the short? So short is nothing but once again it is also the data type which is totally opposite of the long. जैसे अभी data type short है, long है, double है. Yes or no? So this is being supported for the fractional numbers like long and double. So same way, if I wanted the input in the very smaller range, as it is being specified, that method scans the next token of the input as a short. That is, means the shorter range will be there. And invocation of this method of the form next to short behaves in exactly the same way the invocation next to short radix. So अभी यहाँ पर radix मतलब क्या है? So where radix is nothing but the default radix of the scanner. That means default value यहाँ पर हम लोग एक set करेंगे. कैसे अभी we'll see it one by one things. And if you don't specify anything inside this brackets also, still it will be okay. So over here, see parameters, it's not applicable, so you can't use it anything over here inside the bracket. That's why it is being said it as a default radix is there. मतलब by default value मेरा compiler लेगा. The user is not able to enter any sort of a value inside this bracket. ठीक है? Now,
Okay.
over here, yeah, see, as I have told you that import.java.util. So you can use it this package also. Okay, just forget about this package. ये package.com tutorials point है ना, just ignore this one. ये नहीं लिखना है. Our program starts from here. That is input.java.util.scanner लिखा तो भी चलेगा. .star लिखा, well, okay, not an issue. So over here, see the scanner class is being created inside the scanner demo class, and over here ये scanner जो है ये क्या है मेरा object create हो गया है. New is nothing but the operator जो हम लोग ने कल देखा था. Scanner मतलब यही scanner का, this one scanner. See, keep it in mind, ये scanner and ये scanner same है, and this scanner is different as S is in the lower case. That means this scanner is the name of the object. Okay, just take the reference. I'm taking the reference of this program. We are not going to implement this program in our curriculum. Yeah, let us compile an above program. This will be not found hello, not found world, found 3. See, yesterday we have seen the pattern delimiter. That is, this method returns the pattern. Which delimiters we have studied it? That is the full stop, comma, exclamation mark,
Question mark.
Exactly. So that means any sort of a special symbols we can use it.
Column.
Yeah. Now I'll be just telling you. Yes. Next to short example, I'll tell you later on. After this one, we'll go first with the integer format or the next line format. Next line is also there in your syllabus, no? Yeah. See it on the, just observe it on the page number, end of the token hai, dekho. At the end it
Yes.
is there. Page number 109. Yeah. So in the next line, what it is being specified that the application of the next method is to accept a token as a string from the scanner object. So when the line of the text is input into the scanner object, the next method will receive the first token. Simple है. इसका मतलब क्या है कि यहाँ पर next line means what, whichever the content or whichever the string is there. String मतलब the combination of the characters or the alphabets is there. So that thing I'll be accepting the value and throwing it on the output screen. So that too I can able to do it with the help of the next line also. So rest part of the text line can be obtained as a token. So as a token, we can accept that line. So we can accept it any sort of a data. So text line obtain karega as a token, and with the help of the next line method only, we'll be throwing the output on the output screen. That means we'll be capturing it, and with the help of the methods, we'll be doing the invoking and throwing it on the output screen. Next method is not used before the next lines method result in entire line of the text. Obviously हाँ, next मतलब क्या है, सिर्फ next method करके use होगा, मतलब एक function के लिए. But next lines मतलब क्या है, ये सिर्फ statements के लिए use करना है. तो अगर मुझे कुछ statements throw करने हैं, so before that the next line method result in the entire line of the text should be used. Okay. Now I'll just to show you the practical part. See, as you are seeing it on the screen, that here I have make use of a next line. So just observe first, whenever you are studying any sort of a programming, just focus on the output first. So output क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर, enter your name. So Sonu Jaiswal is the name and name is Sonu Jaiswal. मतलब क्या है कि यही जो मेरा value है, that is the name of, that is getting captured and thrown it once again on my second line. Getting? Logic समझ में आया? एम क्या है प्रोग्राम का कि सपोज अभी एंटर योर नेम, सो दैट इज द नेम इज एबीसी. तो ये एबीसी जो है ये कैप्चर करना है. सो ये कैप्चर कौन करेगा, मेथड कैप्चर करेगा. सो मेथड मतलब क्या, दैट इज नथिंग बट द फंक्शन व्हिच कैन आल्सो बी नोन एज अ टोकन. सो कौन सा टोकन यूज करेंगे, तो अभी ये मेरा सिर्फ एक लाइन है. सो फॉर दैट पर्पज आई विल बी मेकिंग यूज ऑफ अ नेक्स्ट लाइन फंक्शन सो दैट दिस विल बी copying the data and once again it will be printing it on the output, that is on the next line. क्लियर? लॉजिक समझ में आया क्या किया इसमें? तो जो कंटेंट है उसको कैप्चर करो और नेक्स्ट लाइन पे वापस उसको पेस्ट करो. तो उसके लिए क्या करना है, so over here I'll be making use of a first function, that is a package I'll be implementing, that is the java.util package. I have used it. Dot star, that means scanner, anything we can use it over here. नेक्स्ट पब्लिक क्लास स्कैनर एग्जाम्पल. सो दैट मीन्स अभी यहाँ पर क्या है, एक क्लास क्रिएट किया है जिसका नाम है स्कैनर एग्जाम्पल. inside that I have created the main function, and inside the main function I have making use of the scanner class with the help of the object. So over here in is nothing but the name of the object. Clear? तो किसका ऑब्जेक्ट है, स्कैनर का. तो स्कैनर क्या है मेरा, एक नया मैंने क्लास क्रिएट किया है, दैट टू विद द हेल्प ऑफ द स्कैनर, जो कि ये स्टार है ना. तो दिस इज accommodating all the combination of the data types, data, all the packages, combination of the packages are there. So इसमें scanner भी आता है. We are having the multiple interfaces over there, जैसे stream reader, buffered reader and all, right? So वो तो अभी इसमें नहीं है in the scanner topic, but that too is also getting covered in this concept with the help of this star. is equal to new क्या है, तो new मेरा operator है once again that is a ये scanner copy paste हो गया. Yeah, अभी तुम्हारे syllabus में if you observe it carefully system.in करके भी दिया हुआ है. If you observed it carefully, देखो दिया है कि नहीं?
दिया है.
Yes or no? So I guess वो next double में भी दिया हुआ है, next float में भी है शायद से, yes float में भी है. So what it is doing it, तो system.in मतलब क्या है कि from the system, from the root, I'll be gonna capturing the input value. So for the input value, dot in जो है, this thing I'll be capturing it. So that should be written it in the round brackets. Very, very important term over here. So this whole highlighted portion is a very important concept over here. Now अभी क्या किया, ये तो statement capture किया, तो ये statement से क्या हुआ, ये जो सोनू जायसवाल है ना, this has got captured and stored it inside the system's memory. अभी इसको क्या करना है, print कर रहा है ना, but before printing it, अभी ये सोनू जायसवाल अभी तक print नहीं हुआ है. I'm just telling you internal part first. सो अभी ये सोनू जायसवाल टाइप कर रहा है पहले, फिर ये कैप्चर करेगा. सो पहले टाइप करने के लिए ये सी आउट स्टेटमेंट होता है. सी आउट स्टेटमेंट मतलब सिस्टम वाला आउट कर रहे हैं, हम लोग आउटपुट कर रहे हैं प्रिंट. सो यू कैन राइट इट हियर एज अ प्रिंट एलएन आल्सो और प्रिंट एंटर योर नेम. ठीक है, अभी ये एंटर योर नेम एज इट इज, ये स्ट्रिंग पैटर्न प्रिंट हुआ यहाँ पर. फिर अभी नेक्स्ट यूजर का काम है. सो ये यूजर ने वैल्यू डाल दिया लाइक एबीसी. ओके, so now Sonu, the name is being written over here. So इसको capture करने के लिए see it has been making use of only in. तो in क्यों लिया है dear यहाँ पर? Because the name of my object is in. So this in and this in is getting correlated with each other. That means from this in the value is getting invoked with this. Clear with this part till here? See, जो shaded portion है, this is only the very, very important statement in the whole program.
Understood.
Okay. If you want, see, once again, I'll repeat the statement. This string name मतलब क्या है यहाँ पर, अभी string करके ये data type है, name मतलब मैंने यहाँ पर एक variable लिया हुआ है, जैसे हम लोग x, y, z लेते हैं, so on. So like that, I have taken the name as a variable. Now what I am doing it, I'm invoking the object. So what is the name of the object? The name of the object is in. So you can take your own name also as a शायरा. So अगर शायरा लिखा है तो यहाँ पर भी मुझे same name should be repeated it. अभी वो object क्या करेगा, method को call करना है, तो कौन सा method I am implementing it or which token I am implementing it, that is nothing but the next line. So just ignore that next वाला part है, क्योंकि next मतलब क्या है, ये सब जगह पे next double, next float, next line सब जगह पे use. next मतलब क्या है, that is nothing but हम लोग enter का symbol use करते हैं ना. So that means my pointer is moving from here till here. Yes or no? So for that purpose it is being making use of a next over here. So अभी ये क्या चाहिए मुझे, another line पे चाहिए. So क्या चाहिए, in. So in क्या है, object. But object के अंदर क्या store है, तो system dot in वाला. But system dot in के अंदर क्या value गया है, तो ये जो भी user ने value डाला था, that is the name of this, तो ये सोनू जायसवाल जो है ये store हो गया. So अभी क्या करना है मुझे, print करना है. बट प्रिंट करने के लिए अभी ये इन ने तो यहाँ से इनको कैप्चर किया, बट वो कहीं ना कहीं पे स्टोर करना चाहिए, तो उसने कहाँ पर स्टोर किया, तो आई हैव डिक्लेयर्ड वन डेटा टाइप विद द वेरिएबल नेम, दैट नेम वेरिएबल नेम इज द नेम. यस और नो? सो प्रिंट करने के लिए सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंट एल, स्ट्रिंग में यहाँ पर कुछ भी लिखो, नेम इज, जैसे ये नेम इज प्रिंट हो रहा है, सो प्लस नेम. सो ये नेम के अंदर मेरा आउटपुट थ्रो किया है. सो थ्रो करने के लिए आई हैव मेकिंग यूज ऑफ अ सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट प्रिंट एल, एंड देन फिर वो इन जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको बाद में क्लोज कर दो. दैट इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ द क्लोज फंक्शन. इसके लिए क्लोज एंड देन राउंड ब्रैकेट्स इज बीइंग यूज्ड. क्लियर? So how the next line is getting?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay, so I'll just copy this concept and just store it in one file so that in future also if you require it, that is to for the multiple tokens. Okay, so today's important topic is that one only, that is tokens. Will end in break out from. Yeah, we are having only 10 minutes, idea. So after disconnecting the, you just reconnect it once again. All right. Same link. Clear, Shaira?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So I've stored it with this one. Now we'll be seeing the another one. Yes, maybe has next and next line is being implemented over here. Okay, so now the next token will continue is, which one is the next int will take it. Yeah, so see, as it is being shaded portion, it is being written that is the next int method scans the next token of the input as the integer and invocation of this method of the form next int. So it behaves exactly the same way as the invocation next int radix, where radix is the default radix of the scanner. If you observe it carefully, dear, ये same ऐसे के ऐसे ही paragraph copy pasted था previous वाले में next line में. Yes or no? सिर्फ क्या change हो गया? Int के जगह पे, मतलब line के जगह पे the int has got replaced.
Int हो गया.
Sorry?
I mean to say int. It was changed to
Yeah,
int.
yeah, right. Okay, so now over here, we'll take some different program. Next int. Yeah, same thing is being repeated over here also. It is used to input the value of the integer variable. N from the user. N क्यों लिखा है? Because यहाँ पर n declare किया हुआ है ना, int n, तो वही invoke होगा. Yeah, superb. So now see this output. Enter an integer 14 और सेम द एंटर्ड इंटीजर वैल्यू इज 14. मतलब वही कॉपी किया वैल्यू और वो मुझे पेस्ट करना. दैट इज अभी यहाँ पर क्या है, व्हाट हैपेंड इन द प्रीवियस प्रोग्राम, दैट आई हैव कॉपीड द स्ट्रिंग, आई हैव कॉपीड द कैरेक्टर एंड पेस्ट इट ऑन द नेक्स्ट लाइन with the help of the next line function. Now here I'll be copying the value, that is 14, and pasting it on the next line, but that is with the help of the next int function. Getting it? Clear with this concept, dear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
ओके, सो नाउ सी सेम थिंग है. अभी ये फर्स्ट टोकन अगर समझ में आया तो सेम प्रोसेसिंग, सेम फंडामेंटल इज बीइंग कैरी फॉरवर्डेड इनटू द फर्दर टोकन्स ओनली. सिर्फ क्या लॉजिक चेंज हो रहा है, वहां पर अभी अल्फाबेट्स थे, अभी यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट इंट है, तो इंट मतलब से वैल्यू ट्रांसफर होगा. नाउ आई विल बी मूविंग इट टू द अनदर वन नेक्स्ट फ्लोट, तो वहां पर भी सेम होगा, ओनली द फ्रैक्शन पॉइंट्स विल बी carry forwarded. Then if I'm taking a short or if I'm taking any sort of another data type, so that will be getting carry forwarded. Okay, so over here the class is created, and inside the main function I have created the object that is the s1. See, वहां पर कौन सा object था मेरा? In था ना object का नाम. यहाँ पर s1 है, new is operator, and system dot in मतलब क्या? ये capture करना है अभी input से. ठीक है, this in is nothing but the input one ना. So just make sure, keep it in mind that this system dot in है ना, this will be remaining constant for the further or multiple classes. Okay, but यहाँ पे जो पहले वाले प्रोग्राम में in था ना, that was the name of the object. So over here अभी s1 is the object, system.out.println, तो ये enter an integer, तो ये value print हो गया, enter an integer. फिर अभी क्या करना है, मुझे वैल्यू प्रिंट करना है. सो प्रिंट करने के लिए यहाँ पर यूजर ने डिक्लेयर किया है कि ए करके. सो ये 14 कहाँ पर स्टोर हो गया? ए के अंदर स्टोर हो गया. बट अभी इन द सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट ए हैज गॉट इनिशियलाइज्ड एज अ s1. तो s1 क्यों? क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम क्या है मेरा? s1. सो ऑब्जेक्ट किसको इन्वोक कर रहा है? फंक्शन को. सो दैट इज द नेम एज अ नेक्स्ट एंड. सो अभी ये सब किसके अंदर स्टोर हो गया? राइट टू लेफ्ट शिफ्ट. किसके अंदर स्टोर हुआ? ए के अंदर. मतलब मुझे किसको प्रिंट करना है? ए को प्रिंट करना है. बट इन दिस केस आई वोंट बी प्रिंटिंग इट ए. व्हाई? बिकॉज ओवर हियर system dot out dot println the entered integer is. so entered integer is क्या है यहाँ पर मेरा? I guess here it is a only will be the plus a. Yeah, it will be the a only, not a n. Not an n, not
We
an
have
n.
written an N.
Yeah, it has written a
Yeah,
n.
yeah.
But the
Output
करेक्ट
का
आंसर विल
A.
बी ए. ए आएगा यहाँ पर. इन कहाँ पर भी यूज नहीं किया पूरे प्रोग्राम में. दिस माइट बी द प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक. ऐसे ऑनलाइन बहुत सारे एरर्स होते हैं. And don't worry dear, we'll be executing all these programs in the BlueJ. Just I'm doing the first explanation part of the tokens so that you will be understanding the how the flow of the each and every token is. ठीक है? See, it has been written. So the statement will be like a is equal to 14 when user entered 14. So it is like s dot next end. S मतलब s1 लिखना था. So gave us the 14 one. Similarly, we can input there is used to input an integer. Yeah, correct. Yeah, just to take a screenshot of this thing. ये next end, float, double, long, short, next line. ये सब I guess इतने सारे नहीं है आपको. What they have said it that the same as the next end, these are also the tokens or the methods which will be implemented in the same format. Okay, done with the screenshot, no?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, so we'll execute this one by one later on. I'll just paste it. Yeah, dear, the time is getting up. Only 1 minute is remaining it. So just reconnect it once again, okay? After completing with the